Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take SchoolWise +2 results. First, navigate to your region's official education board website. Look for the results or examination section, usually prominent on the home page. Then, click on the specific link for +2 results or higher secondary results to proceed. This initial step is crucial for accessing the correct portal and ensuring you are on the official platform for result declaration. Next, you will likely see an option for SchoolWise result. Select this. Carefully enter your school's unique code or identification number into the designated field. It is incredibly important to double-check this code for accuracy. A single incorrect digit can lead to errors or display the wrong school's results. Taking an extra 10 seconds here saves a lot of frustration later on. Once your school code is correctly entered, click the Submit or Get Result button. The complete +2 results for your school will then appear on your screen. You can view individual student scores and overall performance. We highly recommend downloading or printing this result sheet. It serves as an important official record and can be useful for future academic or administrative purposes. Finally, here are some key tips for result day. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Patience is vital, as websites often experience extremely high traffic, sometimes causing delays. If you notice any discrepancies in the results or encounter persistent issues, do not hesitate to contact your school or the Education Board's official helpline for assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.